Hello everyone, in the previous video we discussed different Hive methods to perform CRUD operations. In this video, we will demonstrate Hive CRUD operations in stepwise fashion. Let's get started. Step number 1. Install Hive dependencies. We will install Hive and Hive Flutter dependencies from pubdev. Step number 2. Initialize Hive in main.dart. We will now initialize Hive and open Hive box in main. Step number 3. Access open box. Now it's time to access our open box with the namely box using box 1. Step number 4. Store data. Now it's time to start CRUD operations. First, we will add our data in Hive database using put method, which take key and its value to store data. In the example, name is key and ali is its value. In coding, we will store value using string variable. Step number 5. View data. Now we will view our stored data using Hive get method. It takes key as parameter and gives its value. Step number 6. Update data. Put method is also used for data updation. Just add the new data in the value parameter, like in the example. We changed Ali Khan from Ali. For example, if we give name as key, it will provide its value. That is Ali. Step number 7, delete data. Delete method is used to delete data stored in Hivebox. It's take key to delete its value. Like an example, if we give name as key to delete method, it will delete its value. That is Ali Khan. So in this video, we demonstrated the Hive CRUD operations. You can download this code from my GitHub account. The link is given in the description of this video.